भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की I heartily welcome you to the PMS Samachar channel. From the international world, India-China war, which is also known as India-China border dispute. It was a war between China and India in 1962. The disputed Himalaya border was a major excuse for war, but other issues also played a role. A series of violence started on the Indo-China border after the Tibet rebellion of China sheltered the Dalai Lama in India. India made a statement in the Ministry of External Affairs regarding the talks of China's military commanders, both with continued military and diplomatic dialogue to remove deadlock on the country's border and to ensure peace in the border area. The same two sides agree on a peaceful solution to the border issue. ASHVIT, the African American Civil Rights Movement, is referred to by the United States movement aimed at making national discrimination against African Americans illegal. Country, religious place, shopping mall and restaurant in India, but the restaurant to be closed in Delhi from today. Education, train to school in a government school in Bihar, bags on one shoulder. School will not open due to growing influence of corona, but tell the date of permission for opening. Schools, colleges in India, educational institution will be opened after August. Invention, James Watt did not invent the steam engine, but he did create the world's first modern one and developed the means of measuring its power. In the 1760s, the Scottish inventor began tinkering with an earlier version of the engine designed by Thomas Newcomen. Newcomen's design required constant cooling down amounts of energy. Mother Mary Teresa was honored in the Catholic Church as Saint Teresa of Calcutta was an Albanian Indian Roman Catholic nun and missionary. She was born in Skopje, then part of the Kosovo Vlad of the Ottoman Empire. After living in Skopje for 18 years, she moved to Ireland and then to India, where she lived for most of her life. State Assam or Assam is a state in northeastern India, situated south of the eastern Himalayas along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. Assam covers an area of 78,438 km square. This state is bordered by Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Nagaland and Manipur to the east, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram and Bangladesh to the south, and West Bengal to west via Siliguri Corridor, a 22-kilometer strip of land that connects the state to the rest of India. It is also one of the world's most populous subdivisions. The naturally sweet legume is rich in essential vitamins and antioxidants like vitamin K, C and folate. It is also rich in manganese and fiber. There are several pea pods which are excessively fibrous and thought to eat sugar-safe peas. Effects of this help in digestion, good source of iron, builds immunity, good for eye health. Fruit, an apple is an edible fruit produced by an apple tree. Apple trees are cultivated worldwide and are the most widely grown species in the genus Malus. Apple trees are large of grown from seed. Generally, apple cultivators are propagated by grafting rootstocks which control the size of the resulting tree. The benefits of apple are nutritious, reduce cholesterol, decrease your risk of diabetes, get a healthier heart. Videnia somnifera, known commonly as ashwagandha, Indian ginseng, gooseberry or winter cherry, is a plant in the Solanaceae or nightshade family. Several other species in the genus Vida are morphologically similar, although commonly used as medicinal help in Ayurvedic medicine. There is no conclusive clinical evidence that it is effective for treating any ailment. Health. Asana or eagle pose is a hand balancing asana in modern yoga as exercise. Guru Asana is an asthmatic position. The benefits of Guru Asana is improves concentration, improves sense of balance, stretch the thigh, hips, shoulders and upper back. Swan or Trachyspermum, also known as a Karavi, bishop's weed or caron, is an annual help in the Apiaceae. Both the leaves and the seed, like fruit of the plant, are consumed by humans. The name bishop seeds also is a common name for the other plants. The seed is often confused with Lotus seed. Prima Lok Mission School. The beginning of pronunciation competition. Event West Friends Day, World Ocean Day. The National Football League and American Football League announced a measure effective. World Brain Tumor Day. The temperature of Patna 5 degrees Celsius maximum and 25 degrees Celsius in minimum. In Delhi, 34.8 degrees Celsius maximum and 23.2 degrees Celsius minimum. Weather. Sunday morning rain in Delhi NCR will remain the same for the next 5 days, and weather in the month of June. Gyanpith Award is an Indian literary award presented annually by the Bharatiya Gyanpith to an author for their outstanding contribution towards literature. In 1961, the award is bestowed only on Indian writers writing in Indian language included in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of Hindi and English with no posthumous conferral. Sports. India plays an important role in the same two plans that are trying to return in September. Today's food, that's all I take for tomorrow. Be healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष गों शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.